the same field already erected, but directing this is only one side. This is one of the problems of the amp. The equipment for reversing the windrow is not available at the moment on the market. So I got some project to build up this one, but it's not available at the moment. Normally, this is one of the important steps in the due recting. In fact, if you go and look the flex equipment, this is one of the equipment that is very, very important. You can find the reversing machine for flex, but the flex, as you know, the flex is only 1 meter tall. So the equipment should be the double. And this is the existing machine to harvest seed and collect the stalk. This video comes from Russia, where, as I tell you before, never have keep the water retting. And for this, the equipment makes the bundle to be handled for water retting. So the equipment can be modified, can be adapted to make the withdrawing, because finally it's the same machine. This is very interesting machine that can collect the seed, can withdraw the stalk, just to follow the scope what I tell you before. So to harvest all stalk and to harvest the seed. As you see, I don't know if someone have highlighted, the people prepare the sack already of the seed collected. And this equipment has the advantage to leave complete the stalk, because some methods can make the same, but cut the head of the amp and throw away the very good part of the fiber. The speed is 6 km per hour. Always the cut is 2 meters. And if some people experienced can highlight, the density of seeding is completely different from the video before. And also the color of the amp is completely different. It's not green. Is already start to be yellow because the seeds are there. Of course, the other machine is more fast, but you don't collect the seed. So, resuming the industrial process, whereas being interrupted from then the Eastern Europe country and following exactly the due recting phases with purposive size machine, avoiding the flex engineering machine, which are too small for 2 meter, more or less 2 meter amp stack. In the video you can see a scratching machine before the breaker, then loading the turbine. And this, if you remember the video before, the 42 is the same machine, same method. And it is the same method which is used or still now for the flex. The difference is that this turbine, the diameter of the turbine in the hand scratching line is 1 meter 300 diameter for each. In the flex is only 700 millimeter. This is the difference. And I have to tell you, in Italy we have a big project where they spend 12 million and they buy a flex machine and they start to have a very intelligent, let me say, intelligent idea. They kill the hemp at 1 meter high and then invent on the market the baby hemp project. That was one of the big mistakes, and then now is fault. They spent 12 million euros. They are very intelligent. So this is, maybe work. This is one of the new entry. This is the isolation made by the sieves. That is the new method that can promote the growing of the hemp again. Otherwise, it's no way. It can be this or other type of isolation. Mixing with the lime, etc. But this use the two-thirds of the weight harvested from the field. This make the difference and make possible a dream to rebuild the cultivation of the earth. Without this, without the use of the sieves, should not possible. Also, new application for the fiber, not exactly on the textile. For example, this is a no-woven mat, can be applied for mulching as a mulching mat, and is a very good opportunity if only the political have to forbid, to put some rule about polyethylene film use in agriculture, because normally they with a good proposal, they say, okay, you can put on the ground the black film, etc. Then you have to collect. But the agriculture guy not collect. They collect, make a pit and put down in the ground. That because this kind of polyethylene have to pay if you want to put in the proper way. So the people don't want to pay. So if the political guys set the recycling tax on the film, on the price of buying price, maybe this kind of product become one of the top sellers, because it's thousand of square meter that can be used. And hemp is fantastic for this. Or isolation material with the fiber. This is an example. Also this can be, the price of this is more or less 100 euro for cubic meter, in a density of 40 kilograms for cubic meter. Is a good isolator. In Germany is very, very popular. This is catalyzed with polyester, so compete without any emission. So I am there. The conclusion. A new HEMS feature should be selected based on the size characteristic and the evenness of flipping. It's clear that you can understand that if in a field you have a 3 or 4 centimeter diameter of stalk, one stalk of 7 millimeter, the equipment cannot work. Our suggestion is carefully follow the flex recting process, which is well known. And the process gives good amp quality when is done through the proposed engineering system machine. Combined use of cultivation product in order to have economical return, even without government subsidy. Because otherwise, when the subsidy are at the end, the company failed. Promoting new industrial products which I can exploit specific features of the hemp or every annual cultivation. Let me say like this because sometimes it's very complicated to have seeds of hemp, for example, because the THC, or maybe because some mafia there are now. Thank you, I have finished.